Before you go to taekwondo battlegrounds studio, you have to get a glow up, cause boy, you is not cooking.
But what's a glow up? I don't know what that is.
Shut up talking to me. I'm gonna show you what a glow up is.
Okay, I respect.
My rival, my idol, you got me suicidal.
Thanks, but how does this help?
It'll help you not get beat up.
Told you not to add weaklings on the taekwondo battleground studio.
You will never be great.
So I just wanna bet.
This coon's kinda good. Too bad I'm gonna have to kill him.
Impossible.
No. You ready to die or what?